Dad's best friend flooded the house late Christmas Eve. What a special early gift, a portrait who could believe. Insisting on hanging it forth with manner, friend Jack procured a nail and hammer. His swinging miss was bold. Right in the wall he punched a hole. Squarely he hit the plumbing pipe through, and made there a fountain ensue. Dad's best friend flooded the house late Christmas Eve. Dad's best friend flooded the house late Christmas Eve. What a special early gift, a portrait who could believe. He insisted on hanging it forth with manner. Friend Jack procured the nail and the hammer. His swinging miss was bold. Right in the wall he punched a hole. Squarely he hit the plumbing pipe and made the fountain ensue. Dad's best friend flooded the house late Christmas Eve.